Hello? Hello? Yeah, hi. I want to share with you the top 10 easy business credit cards. Those are credit cards that are great for startups, but also established businesses. So if you're interested in this conversation, don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome City Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you were to ask me. If you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. In today's discussion, I want to share with you the top 10 easy business credit cards. Okay, those are credit cards that are great for startups, but also established businesses. So, number 10, we have the Truist Business Cash Rewards credit card. Our score 7/10. Here you are looking at an APR for purchases, 0% intro APR for 9 months, and after that you look at 12.24% to 21.24% variable. Okay, and in terms of rewards, you can earn cash back 3% on gas, 2% at restaurants and office supply stores, up to $2,000 in combined spend in 2% and 3% categories per month, and then you have 1% on all other eligible purchases. In terms of loyalty bonus, you have a 10, 25, or 50% loyalty cash bonus when you deposit cash rewards into an eligible Truist business checking, savings, or money market account. One thing I need to say is that the bonus percentage depends on business deposit account type and balance. Okay, so this is a great card if your organization spends a lot of time on the road and entertaining clients or wants cash back for everyday business purchases. So what are the benefits for you if you have this card? 3% cash back on gas, wonderful. 2% at restaurants and office supply stores, up to $2,000 in combined spend. 1% cash back on all other eligible purchases. And you can add authorized cardholders, digital account management through Truist online banking. You have Intuit QuickBooks integration, contactless payments, and a whole list of benefits. Number 9, folks, we have TD Bank. Our score 7.5/10. So the card is called the TD Business Solutions Credit Card, 7.5/10. With this card, you can earn up to 1% cashback on purchases. You can earn an extra 1% cashback when you redeem into an eligible TD Bank deposit account. You can earn $250 cashback in the form of a statement credit when you spend $1,500 within the first 90 days after your account opening. And this card is relatively simple to get if you bank with TD Bank and you have a FICO score that starts at 620. The APR for purchases, 13.99%, 18.99%, or 23.99%. Okay, a balance transfer fee of $5 or 3% of the transfer, whichever is greater. So overall, this is a great credit card. So TD Business Solutions Credit Card, 7.5/10. Number 8, we have the Wells Fargo Business Platinum Credit Card. Our score, 8/10. And we love this credit card. This is a great card to have. It's relatively easy, whether you are an established business or a startup. As long as you have a strong relationship with Wells Fargo, you could qualify. Okay. In terms of new customer offer, you can earn a one-time $300 cashback bonus or 30,000 bonus points when you select business card rewards program and you spend $3,000 in the first 3 months of account opening. If you choose the cashback option, you can earn 1.5% cashback on qualifying purchases. If you choose the reward options, you actually you can earn 1 point on every dollar spent and receive $1,000 bonus points every billing cycle when you spend at least $1,000 on qualifying purchases. And we love the fact that with this card, you have a 0% intro rate for 9 months. This is great. So this is great for businesses that have sales all the way to $2 million. You can choose your rewards, cashback, or rewards points. And if you want a convenient way to manage everyday business expenses, this is a great card for you. So Wells Fargo Business Platinum Credit Card, 8/10. Number 7, folks, we have KeyBank Business Card, 8/10. With this card, this is a very easy card to get as well. They want you to have a relationship with KeyBank. If you have a FICO score that starts at 620, 625, you can qualify. You can even apply for this card on an EIN only basis. All of these credit cards can be applied for on an EIN only basis if you know how to do the application, okay? You can manage and track expenses with ease with this card. And we'll love the fact that with the KeyBank business card, you have 0% APR for the first 6 billing cycles on purchases and balance transfers made in the first 2 months. After that, you have a variable APR that goes from 10.99% to 20.99%. So you have a 10.99% to 20.99% based on creditworthiness, okay? 11 to 21%. And you have zero liability and zero cost for fraud protection. And we'll love the fact that this card is basically good in terms of it has a lot of benefits. It has a lot of features and benefits. So you can enjoy these perks that come with being part of the MasterCard Business Network. You have business software discounts, right? Discount for softwares including QuickBooks, TurboTax, and Intuit Payroll. This is really good. You have cybersecurity and ID theft protection. So your team of identity theft resolution specialists is available online all day, every day to help resolve any issue that may occur. What we love with this card is that you also have car rental insurance. You have travel benefits. Fantastic. KeyBank business card, 8 over 10. Number 6. We have Bank of America Business Advantage Customized Cash Rewards. Our score, 8.5 over 10. And what we love with this card is that right now you can earn a $300 statement credit, which is a bonus offer, okay? And the card also allows you to earn 3% cash back in the category of your choice. And this could be a gas station. This is the default. It could be office supply stores, travel, TV/telecom and wireless, computer services, or business consultant services. You have 2% cash back on dining purchases for the first $50,000 in combined choice category dining purchases each calendar year, 1% thereafter. And then you have 1% cash back on all other purchases. So this is really good. The cool thing here is that to change your choice category for future purchases, you have to go to mobile banking app or Business Advantage 360 to actually do the change, okay? And you can change it once each calendar month or make no change and it stays the same. It's totally up to you. So bottom line is choose your category correctly, okay? Because you can earn up to 75% more cash back on every purchase if you have a business checking accounts with Bank of America and if you qualify for their highest preferred rewards for business tier. Okay, and this is really good. This means what? It means you can earn up to 5.25% on your selected choice category and up to 3.5% on dining purchases on the first $50,000 in those combined purchases each calendar year, and up to an unlimited 1.75% cash back on all other purchases. So this is really good, okay? And so they do have a 0% intro APR on purchases for the first 9 billing cycles, and after that the APR goes from 12.24% to 22.24%. Number 5, folks, we have here the Navy Fed Gold Base Rewards credit card. Our score, we have 8.5 over 10. Okay, so this is a card that is great. The card has actually with Navy Fed you have a credit union, so you definitely have to apply for membership. You need to qualify for membership, but once you qualify, there shouldn't be any problem at all. Okay, and this card is packed with a lot of features. It also has contactless technology, so you can make purchases quickly and securely with just a tap. You have an APR that goes as the APR is prime plus 5.90, no annual fee, and the rewards you have 1x points per dollar spent. And this card is available as Visa or MasterCard. No foreign transaction fee, no earnings cap, great for travel expenses. Okay, and you can add as many cardholders as possible, and you have zero liability policy for unauthorized transactions. So this is really good. And so when we talk about, just remember that the APR will never exceed 18% with Navy Fed. Okay, this is a military affiliated credit union, but you don't have to have military affiliation to qualify. Just give them a call and they will tell you how to qualify for this card. But this is a great card, Navy Fed Gold Base Rewards, 8.5 over 10. Number 4, folks, we have US Bank Triple Cash Rewards Visa Business. Our score 9 over 10. This is a card that allows you to earn $500 in cash back. This is a very easy card. It's a relatively easy card to get. And the card allows you to get 3% cash back on eligible purchases at gas and EV charging stations, office supply stores, cell phone service providers, and restaurants. Plus, you earn 1% cash back on all other eligible purchases, and there is no expiration or limit on the total travel rewards you can earn. So this is really good. You have $100 software credit. You have prepaid travel. You can earn 5% cash back on prepaid hotels and car rentals booked directly in the Travel Rewards Center. And we love the fact that with this card, you have a 0% APR, intro APR for 15 billion cycles. Think about it. And this applies to purchases and also balance transfers. This is really good. And after the APR the promo is over, you have $13.99 to 22.99%. This is really good. The card has no annual fee. Okay. And here are additional terms to help you use this card responsibly and fruitfully. So you have mobile payment. You can pay with your phone. You have 24/7 dedicated service. You have security. You have expense management, and you have real-time rewards. Fantastic card. Number 3, folks, we have here Capital One Spark 1.5% cash select. Our score 9.5 over 10. So this card has no annual fee and 0% introductory APR for the first 12 months. Okay, so the rewards unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase with no minimums or expiration date. This is really good. And the APR after the promo, you have $15.99 to 23.99% variable APR. And you got to have a good credit to qualify for this card, but it's relatively easy. Approval is very fast. Okay. And what I want to say here is that you earn an unlimited 1.5% cash back unlimited for your business on every purchase everywhere. There are no limits or category restrictions. This is really good. In addition to that, you enjoy a $0 annual fee in addition to the big rewards you can earn. Think about that, right? So you have everything is 0%. We love that. You have a 0% purchase rate, intro purchase rate for 12 months, 0% intro rate on balance transfers for 12 months. Okay. And you basically choose the kind of rewards you want. In addition to that, you have, so if you want to carry a balance with an introductory APR, this is great for you. You can set up automatic payments. You have $0 for liability. You have year-end summaries that are really good to kind of help you with your accounting, your financial reporting. This is really good. You can assign an account manager to make purchases and payments, review transactions, and resolve any problems. You can look at the purchase records. You can even have virtual card numbers. So overall, this is a solid business credit card. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Studio Kiwi Show. We are also having a conversation about the top 10 easy business credit cards. And number 2, we have a PNC Visa Business. Our score 9.5 over 10. This is a card that is really great because if you have a FICO score of 525, 530, you could qualify for this card. And it really helps if you have a relationship already with PNC Bank. In other words, you have a business checking accounts or savings account or personal checking or savings account with them. Okay, so this is a card that allows you to help your business maximize working capital. So you're able to divorce your personal affairs from your business affairs. You have a 0% introductory APR on balance transfers for the first 13 billing cycles following account opening. You will have access to an online account management with PNC Online Banking or Account View. So they have a very user-friendly, intuitive dashboard for account management. Okay, and we love the fact that you can use this card if you want to as a balance transfer card, right? So you can consolidate multiple billing dates from your creditors by transferring the balances to your PNC business credit card and then scheduling one payment every month. And so you also can use account view to manage employee purchases and to monitor cash flow. So check your current balance and view pending transactions online. You can set individual spending limits for employee cards. This is really great. You can add, activate, or close employee cards. It's really, really easy to manage. And they also have a program called Cash Flow Insight that gives you additional insights. So you can really, really, you will love that. And they have a tool called Spend Analysis that automatically assigns business categories to your posted PNC business credit card transactions. Really great. Number one, the best of the best in our view. When it comes to the top 10 easy business credit cards to get, we have the Chase Inc. Business Preferred Card. Our score 10 over 10. And this is a card that allows you to actually do a lot of things. First of all, if you're a new card member, you have an offer of 100,000 bonus points after you spend $15,000 on purchases in the first 3 months after the account is open. That's about $1,000 cashback, or $1,250 towards travel rewards when you redeem through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Okay, so either $1,000 cashback or $1,250 towards travel rewards. The APR is $15.99 to $20.99%. Okay, there's an annual fee though, $95. But again, this is totally worth it. You can actually you can save on everything from shipping purchases, advertising purchases made with social media sites and search engines, internet, cable, and phone services, travel. You earn unlimited 1 point per dollar spent on all other purchases. And the cool thing is, points do not expire as long as your account is open. Okay, you got to keep your account open. This is very, very important. And it's better if you have already a relationship with Chase at the personal and or business level. Before I actually do a recap, I want to have an overview about the conversation. When we talk about easy business credit cards, we are talking about, of course, your FICO, but also we are talking about the relationship, the speed with which the credit card issuer is processing your application and how easy they take care of you, how quick they take care of you after approving you. Okay, so we look at not only the period between the period before you get approved, but after you get approved. You also need to understand that there are several reasons why you want to apply for a business credit card in the first place. You will keep your business and your personal finances separate. You really want that, right? Because you will need a corporate veil between you and your business in order to legally protect yourself from becoming personally liable for your company's debt or any other legal issues that might arise from a lawsuit. This is why we always say that on this show, it's very important to apply for a business credit card as an EIN, not as a sole proprietorship. In other words, you want to incorporate, you want to have the right legal structure around you. You want to have an LLC or LP or S Corp or C Corp, whatever you want to choose. It's totally up to you. So you will build also your business credit if you basically apply with the EIN. You'll get fast and easy access to working capital. You will earn valuable credit card perks along the way. Okay, and so what are the requirements of a business credit card? Whether any type of credit card, any type of business credit card, whether it is issued by an alternative lender or a bank or a credit union, you need to put on the application form your business's legal name, your contact information for your business, the industry type, the business entity or legal structure. This is really important. The time in business and the number of employees, your EIN, your federal tax ID number, your annual business revenue and estimated monthly spend, your total annual income, that's after taxes, okay, the legal name, contact information, and social security number of the owners. And you also want to pay attention to whether or not the business credit card is asking for a personal guarantee. All the 10 credit cards that I have mentioned in today's conversation, they do not ask. Let me repeat. They do not ask any personal guarantee. Okay, so it's important that please make sure that you use the cards. Use the card for business expenses, because if you're trying to start mixing personal expenses versus business expenses, you are exposing yourself to any kind of issues. And the credit card issuer might even revoke your credit cards by saying, "Hey, listen, you're using the card for personal reasons, and this is not what the card was made for." Okay. And I also want to say that if you want to get a business credit card and very easily and quickly, there are a few things you need to do. First, you want to decide which business credit card is right for you. All right, in today's conversation, I share with you the top 10 easy business credit cards. You got to decide which one is right for you based on your situation, based on your company's location also, and based on the current bank where you currently have accounts, right? Because you want to start where the people know you already. So we want to think about the 0%. Are you looking for a 0% intro APR period? Are you looking for an annual fee? Rewards program? You want to pay attention to the foreign transaction fee? Is there any introductory bonus? You also want to think about whether you're looking for a business credit card or a charge card. Okay, this is important. A charge card just means that you are paying the full balance every month. You're not allowed to carry balances over to the next month. You also want to check your credit score at the personal level, but also at the business level, okay? And you want to gather the necessary business credit card requirements and fill out an application. So we are talking about what? We're talking about business tax returns, so your 1120S or 1120C, your 1065 forms, your Schedule C, Form 1040. You want to pay attention to your financial statements. You might have to add those to the application form, your balance sheet, your income statements, your statement of cash flows, as well as your statement of owner's equity. You also want to think about, you might want to think about your accounts payable / accounts receivable agent schedules, so that the business credit card issuer can see exactly what kind of exposure they are actually availing themselves of. Okay, and one thing I want to say, once you do that, just wait for approval. Wait for approval. It might probably take 1 or 2 or 3 days, depending on the relationship you have with the institution and also the institution itself, the procedures that they have to go through, but it should be pretty fast. And after you did that, just activate your business credit cards and use it responsibly. Before I do a recap, please check out this short credit card evaluation approach. We do have a strict method on this show when it comes to evaluating, categorizing, and reviewing credit cards. Check this out. All right, folks, I was talking to you about the top 10 easy business credit cards. Number 1, we have Chase Inc. Business Preferred 10 over 10. Number 2, we have the PNC Visa Business Credit Card 9.5 over 10. Number 3, we have the Capital One Spark 1.5% Cash Select 9.5 over 10. Number 4, we have the US Bank Triple Cash Rewards Visa Business 9 over 10. Number 5, we have the Navy Fed Gold Biz Rewards 8.5 over 10. Number 6, we have the Bank of America Business Advantage Customized Cash Rewards, 8.5 over 10. Number 7, we have the KeyBank Business Card, 8 over 10. Number 8, we have the Wells Fargo Business Platinum Credit Card, that's 8 over 10. Number 9, we have the TD Business Solutions Credit Card, 7.5 over 10. And number 10, last but not the least, we have the Truist Business Cash Rewards Credit Card, 7 over 10. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. I'll speak to you another time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.